SP Gadgets' ever-popular POV pole is now available in a silver design. Approved for saltwater use, you can directly attach a GoPro camera without need of any other adapters. Its dual-diameter grip provides comfortable security for long shoots, even in adverse conditions. Compact and easy to use, it can be extended and twist-locked to lengths of 19 to 36 inches. Also included is an adjustable wrist strap and carabiner to ensure it stays with you. Pocket-sized and lightweight, the POV pole is a must-have for GoPro users who truly want to capture the moment. The MSRP is $40 or $50, depending on the size you choose. For more information, visit sp-gadgets.com.